Hello Dollface, it's Kat here, and today we have another palette review. One of you guys was kind enough to tag me on Instagram from a brand I never heard of called Sugary Cosmetics, which honestly, adorable name. How have I not heard of them before? Come on Kat, get it together, look up for the cute makeup. And they had came out with a donut palette. Now, as we all know, if you couldn't tell, I love donuts. Donuts are like my favorite thing ever, and that is why I'm the donut princess, and I'm always on the hunt for cute donut stuff. And when anytime a makeup brand throws out a donut palette or donut anything, I will buy it. I've bought lipsticks named Donut. I don't care. I am that bee. I will buy anything donut. And so I was really excited when I saw that the inside of this palette was so colorful. Like, it's not a neutral, it's just so pretty. So many things are like glazed donut and it's just like nudes. And I'm like, cool, or just like a highlight, but like, look at these colors. Look at it. Oh my god. I played around. I did this look on my face with it. I'm just so excited because I love me some colors. So I thought today we would just kind of do a little swatcheroo and a review and like tutorial, because that's just what I'm feeling. I'm like, it's just a cute palette. So let's get to swatches. The first shade we're gonna go in is powdered, and it is the white shadow, so it's like powdered like a powdered donut. And we're gonna go in, and this is like a finger swatch, and then we'll just kind of go and bring it down. Again, it's just like a white color. Again, it's just like any white shadow. It's a little hard to see because I'm so pale, but it's just a really nice white. Could be good as a good base. I used it to highlight my brow bone today. Like, it's just really cute. The next shadow we're gonna go in is Boston Cream, and it's like, you know, the chocolate glaze on top of it. And it's just like a brownie shade. I did not use this shadow on me. You know, no specific reason. Here's the finger swatch. And then we're just gonna go down, and there we go. Ooh. That's actually more reddy than I thought. It looked more brown in the pan, but that's a cute little burgundy. Ooh, man, maybe I should have used that in the eye. Like, no, it's too late. It's too late. I'm not going back. But, ooh, that's pretty. I enjoy that a lot, actually. Ooh, that was cuter than I thought it was going to be. Guys, don't be fooled by how it looks in the pan, because swatches change everything. Like, it's a whole new perspective. The next shade we're going to go into is called Cake Batter, and it's this bright yellow shadow, and I use that in my inner corner, and it's so bright and neon. I can't even, like, look at that yellow. Look at it. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I love it. And literally, it's just like, it's just a pretty yellow. Like, I will do anything for a nice yellow shadow, so I ain't mad. I'm about it. Like, let's do this. I want to put it all over everywhere. The next shadow, again, we're going to go into is called Jelly, and it is the purple shadow. Now, when I was using it on my eyes, it was not my favorite, but let's just see how it swatches. So here is the finger swatch. It's a really pretty purple color, but you'll see later what I'm talking about when it wasn't my favorite. And it just, but yeah, see, it swatches a little patchy too. But again, it's a pretty purple. Like, again, purple shadows are hard, so I'm not going to give it a hard time. Like, I can work with it. I make everything work. I don't care. I'm not picky. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go into Strawberry Frosted, which is the pink shadow, which is, you know, my favorite. And so here is the finger swatch. It's just a really nice, vibrant bubblegum pink. It has more of a blue tone to it than like a reddy tone, which I notice a lot of like hot pink shadows pull towards a red than the blue tone. So like it has more of like a yellow red underbase than a blue base. So I was really excited that this one was more blue tone. But like, look at how bright and pink that is. Oh, I just want to do a whole look dedicated to that pink. It is so pretty. Oh my god, I'm so about it. I am here for it. Now we're going to go on to the next row, and we're going to start with the Shadow Blueberry Glaze. So we're going to go in, and we'll do a quick finger swatch. So here's the finger swatch. This one has a little bit of a shimmer to it, while the others have been fully matte. This one kind of just has a little bit of a sheen. I don't know if it's just me or what, but that's what it does. And then here is its swatch. It's a really beautiful blue. I really like this blue. It's a nice like aqua color. Like, ooh, it'd be fun. Just, I want to do more looks with this. Like, yeah, I like this color. It's a nice blue. Then the next shade is called Pistachio, and it's this like neon green. So let's go in, a little finger swatch action. So here's it on the finger, and then on the hand. It's just a really just bright green. This one you kind of gotta layer a little bit though to really see the color. But yeah, no, it's really pretty. And then the last of the regular shadows is this orangey shade called Honey Glaze. It's just like an orangey peach shade. And so it looks like on the finger. And then if we bring it down, again, see, it's just a really nice orangey shade. This could be, if you are one of those neutral girls, you could mix this with like Boston cream and a little bit of cake batter, and it would do a nice pretty like neutral look for you if you're too afraid of the colors. But I don't think you would buy this palette if you were afraid of colors, unless you just think it's cute. I don't know. But now let's move on to the glitters. It does have 2 pressed glitters in there. The first one is Blue Sprinkles. So we're gonna go in. Here's it on the finger, really pigmented, and then on the hand, yeah. Again, I noticed that these apply better with your fingers than with a brush, so just be careful with that. But it has a really interesting texture, not anything I've used before, so that's Blue Sprinkles. And then we'll go in. Pink Sprinkles kind of doesn't really, I'll show you, it doesn't really show up pink, so here's it on the hand. It's like an iridescent like green, so this one I would kind of use on top of stuff. See, like it doesn't really even swatch that well. I don't want to use too much. I have to like, because I want to preserve it because it's really pretty, but I don't know. Can you see it? It's like really, really light. It's more of like a green iridescence than a pink, and like, which is not mad. Just like make sure if you want the pink to show, apply Strawberry Frosted underneath it, and then put the pink sprinkles on top of it, and then you'll get the pink effect with all the pretty shimmery iridescent green stuff, which I'm about. I love me a green glitter, so I'm not like too mad about it. I just wish like that blue was popping. I wish the baby pink was popping, because like that would have been really cool, because I love me a pastel pink. But otherwise, like, these palette is just, I just can't wait to dig into it more. So if you guys want to see how I did this look using the palette, please keep watching. Okay, so I am so excited to dig into this palette. Oh my gosh, look how cute and adorable this is. Like, ah. And like the colors are so bright and up my alley. I love it. I've seen a lot of like donut themed things where it's like neutral, and I'm like, I'm sorry, what? I don't need neutral donuts. So I feel like, I don't know, what am I feeling? Am I feeling a pink look? I'm kind of feeling a rainbow look. What do you guys think? Rainbow? I kind of want to use as many colors as I can, so let's just do rainbow. Let's do it. Let's go and be a rainbow donut. I know I honestly should like plan out makeup looks before I start filming, but like, where's the fun in that? So I'm going to go in with the yellow shade Cake Batter, and I'm going to start bringing that through my crease. Okay. Zoom y'all in a little bit so you can see. Then I'm going to take the pink shade Strawberry Frosted, and I'm going to start putting that right in through the corner and really like deepening it out. Oh, that's a bright pink. Okay, hello. There's a little bit of fallout, so just be careful with that. But a lot of times with bright colors like this, there will be, so just work carefully and just, yeah, be careful. And I'm just going to blend a little bit more of the Cake Batter shade just to kind of help blend this out a bit more so it's not as harsh. And then I'm just going to start working in the purple shade Jelly into the outer corner and just focusing that in the corner. Now this one I'm kind of having to dig in a little bit to get a little bit more of the pigment, but we're going to make it work. I think I want to work a little bit more of that pink in. I think we lost it a bit, and it's kind of looking a little muddy right now, so I'm just going to kind of try to brighten that up some more. And now I'm going to start blending in this shade Glazed Blueberry on the lower corner into the purple. So just a nice teal. That one's pigmented. Hello. Again, lots of fallout, so just be careful. It does brush off though really easily. And then I'm going to go in with the green pistachio and really focus it around the inner corner. And then I think I'm going to go in with this pinky glitter for the whole lid. Just gonna, go and use that with my finger. Ooh, I really like the glitter. The glitter is really pretty. Not mad about the glitter. I'm going to run the white shade powdered through the brow bone just to give a little bit of highlight. I actually think I'm going to pop the yellow shade in the inner corner because I just want it to have more like life. I feel like it kind of got lost with the pinks and the purples over on the top. So I think I'm just going to work that in to add a little bit more yellow. I'm going to add mascara, liner, and lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I added some mascara and lashes, and I put some white liner into the waterline just to open up the eyes a little bit, and now I'm not hating it. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't like the biggest fan, only because like I noticed as I was blending the eyeshadows, I was like losing color, and it was kind of annoying. So like I wish the purple showed up a little bit better, because that's how I wanted the look to be more like, you know, purpley and pink on top, but it's fine, like it's working. I still think it looks cute, like I'm not mad. So like let's go on, add our blush, because you know I can't do a look without some blush. If you guys are wondering what blush I used, it's City Colors Be Matte Blush in Pink Grapefruit, the blush I use every day of my life. I think I'm going to do like a purpley highlighter, and I'm going to go in with Jeffree Star's Nefri, because that's a very pretty purpley pink highlighter. You know what? I think I'm going to add a little bit of this glitter on top of the highlight too, just because I think it's pretty and I like glitter. And with the pink glitter, pink sprinkles. What does blue sprinkles look like? Should I add a little bit of blue sprinkles to the lower lash line? Just like, you know, more glitter, because you can't go wrong with more glitter, can you? Like, honestly, no. Okay, low-key a little hard to apply with a brush. Can you even see that? Eh, whatever. I'll just make it even. Alright, let's add a lip. What color lip should I even do with this? Purple? Pink? My heart's telling me hot pink, so hot pink it is. And then for lip, I'm just going to go in with Girl Crush by Sugar Pill. Okay, so let's go in with some final thoughts on the palette. I do really enjoy the color scheme. Like, it gets really annoying when you get like really cute packaging. A lot of brands do this, like Tarte does this a lot, and like Too Faced, so it's like super adorable, cute, colorful packaging, and then like the entire thing on the inside is neutrals. Like, I get it, like people love wearing neutrals, but I feel like if you're gonna put something really adorable out, you're gonna add a lot of color. So this was really like, I really excited because like the palette is so colorful on the outside, it's a donut, and the inside matches the aesthetic of the outside, and it does have some neutrally color, so it does have a brown and like an orange and yellow, and you could do a nice neutral look with that. Not really my thing. I love color, so I really like all the colors that are in here. I really love this yellow shade. I love the green shade. I love the pink. They are my favorites. I will say I had a bit of trouble with the purple and the blue though. I kept feeling like they just kept disappearing. Like every time I applied the purple, like, and was trying to blend it, it was just like gone. Like I couldn't see the purple anymore. And I don't know if you can kind of tell that. Like I really had to work to get the purple to show up. But I know purples are really hard, so like I'm not gonna go like too angry about it, and especially these glitters are bomb. I am a huge fan. They are so pretty and really easy to apply. I mean, with your finger, like With a brush, it didn't go on as smoothly, but your finger it's amazing. It works amazing. Like, I love it. The white is a really cute white. You know, it's just the white. But yeah, I'm really into it. Like, I like this palette. I can see myself using it more. I do want to mix with the yellows and greens a bit more because I think that could be really fun. But I really like how this look turned out. I just think it's super cute and fun. And honestly, it's like perfect for June, Pride Month. So like, this is a nice little palette you could get for Pride makeup. I'm feeling it. I feel cute. Like, I like it. I ain't mad. You know, it's a thing. But like, I'm not mad how this look came out. I really love it. I like the palette. I can't wait to play with it more. Let me know down below if you guys want to see like a 3-look, 1 palette type of thing with this palette, because it is a lot of fun and I think I could do a lot of cute things with it besides just trying to use every single shadow on my face like I did today. I just couldn't resist. They all look so bright and fun and I just love color, so like I had to get in on that. But yeah, let me know if you guys want a 3-look, 1 palette. I am going away for like 10 days after this, so it would have to be when I get back home from that. But if you guys want it, I will do that for you guys when I get back. Yeah, but no, I really enjoyed the palette. I can't wait to play with it more. And yeah, not too bad. I think it was only like, what, like $26? So that's not even a bad price point for what you get. Like, I'm a fan. I'm here for it. I'm into it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I would just be really, really rad of you guys. And comment down below if you guys would like to see more looks with this donut palette. Let me know. I will do that. Thank you guys again so much. I hope you stay lovely. Bye!